Bob has been a broker for over 30 years. Has served the Katy, Richmond, and all West Houston areas since 1976. His extensive knowledge of the market trends make him an expert. If you are looking for experience and knowledge, call Broker Bob. Great one-story with plenty of space. Ready for you to remodel and do it your way. Some of the most sought-after schools in Katy ISD. Split floor plan plus extra living space or room for study. 2 eating areas, big backyard and tree-lined street. Upgraded air conditioner and stainless appliances. Ready for your inspection.